The SEMA Show is all about the components you need to build a car. Well, some of those components are hidden. Danny here from Steele Rubber knows all about that. Danny, the stuff you make oftentimes gets hidden in a car, but they're super important for a quality build and a quality finish to your car.
Absolutely. I mean, the weather stripping is really what protects the whole investment of the car. You're not going to be able to keep the wind out, keep the air conditioning in, keep the rain out, so it's very important.
Danny, we talk about Camaros and Chevelles and the kind of normal things, but reality is Steele Rubber has a huge product line.
Yeah, this year we put out a ton of stuff for, GM, Ford, Mopar. One of the features that we're doing this year is our 64 and 65 Lincoln Continental convertible roof rail kit. This thing is a 7-piece kit. It comes with the 3 side rails and the header bow. It's a major project we just put out. We do kits for all these cars too.
Behind you is one of the most famous hot rods built in the last 20 years, the Cosmic Outcast, and your stuff's all over it.
Yeah, he knew what he was doing. He's putting a 57 Chevy hood as the roof of the truck. It's crazy, but we had all the parts for all the different cars for him to do something like that.
Amazing stuff, Danny. Always like to see the new innovations and always know that you have that huge product line that can help anybody out with their restoration. Great to see it here at SEMA.
I appreciate it. Thank you.